Let's draw a ladybug.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to color with. Let's go on our drawing adventure. We're gonna start off by drawing a round circle in the center of our paper. You can make it nice and big. This is gonna be the body of our ladybug. Once we have the body of our ladybug, we are gonna draw a line down the center of the circle, dividing it in half. You guys can watch me do it just like this. Now that we have the line going down the center of our ladybug's body, we're gonna add the head. The head is right at the top of the ladybug's body, and we're gonna draw it like a little arch. So we're gonna draw a line that goes up and curves over and goes down. If you guys ever feel like I'm going a little too fast, please feel free to pause the video or even replay it. So we're gonna draw today's ladybug with antennas. So each antenna is gonna come out right at the top of the head. We're gonna draw a line that comes out and then it creates our squiggles. Let's draw one on both sides of the head. So one over here and one on the other side. I'll give you guys a chance to add in your antennas. You know, I really like squigglies, but you could do your antennas a little bit different. Zigzags coming out of the ladybug's head would be really fun. Now that we have the antennas coming out of our ladybug's head, let's add some legs. The legs are really easy to add on our ladybug. All we're gonna do is draw lines coming out the sides of the body. I'm gonna do 3 legs on each side. So let's add those lines coming right out the sides. Isn't this starting to look like a real life ladybug? Now it's time to add some spots on the back of our ladybug. When you look at a ladybug is usually a red color with black polka dots all over the body. There's no rhyme or reason as to where you put your polka dots for your ladybug. If you look at any ladybug, each one is going to be a little bit different. So feel free to make your polka dots however you want. And now for my favorite part of the day, where we get to color in inside the lines. But first, while you guys catch up on your drawing, I'm gonna share the word of the day. Today's word is empathy. Empathy is when you understand how someone else feels and you care about their feelings too. Try to think of a way where you can practice empathy today. Now, let's color in our drawing. Ladybugs are typically a reddish-orange color, so I'm gonna go in with my color crayon and I'm gonna start filling in the body of my ladybug. Don't worry too much about making this perfect because we're gonna go in and we're gonna color in the polka dots as well. So if you get a little bit of red or a little bit of orange inside your polka dots, that's totally okay. Once you have the red colored in on your ladybug body, let's take a black marker or a black crayon or a black colored pencil and let's color in the polka dots on our ladybug's back. And now for the very last part of our drawing, filling in the head. We're gonna fill in our ladybug head with black as well. Wow, you guys did such an amazing job drawing your ladybugs today. I am so proud of you. Next time you try drawing a ladybug, you could experiment with different colors. So you could do a different color body and different color polka dots too. Today's featured artist is Eliana. Didn't she do such an amazing job with her ice cream cone? Way to go, Eliana. I can't wait to see what you do next. If you would like to become our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination. So keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on my next artsy adventure.